Hi everybody, I'm Congressman Jim McGovern from Massachusetts. I serve as the co-chair of the Congressional Executive Commission on China and the co-chair of the Tom Lantos Human Rights Commission. Thank you for the invitation to offer my thoughts on the joyous occasion of the 86th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. People around the world, across countries and across cultures, respect and revere His Holiness. His message speaks to all of us because he speaks of universal values and universal truths. For the individual, he is a source of spiritual inspiration and inner harmony. For our global society, he's a voice of wisdom and peace. As conflicts persist in far too many regions, we should heed His Holiness' message of tolerance, compassion, and nonviolence. Now more than ever, we should embrace his bridge building between different religions and faiths. Today, Tibetans inside and outside of Tibet, along with Tibet supporters all over the world, come together to celebrate His Holiness. The Dalai Lama has been a tireless advocate of peace and justice for the Tibetan people. He has made the struggle for Tibetan dignity and rights an international concern. It is a struggle felt deeply in the heart of every Tibetan, and it is a story of perseverance that resonates with all people who cherish human rights and dignity. It is long past time for the Chinese government to listen to the Dalai Lama and to respect who he is. I am proud that the United States Congress has been a strong supporter of the Tibetan people. Just 6 months ago, Congress passed and the President signed into law the Tibetan Policy and Support Act. This bill makes it United States policy that it is the right of the 14th Dalai Lama and the Tibetan people to choose his successor. On the 86th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, I offer my continued appreciation for his life's work, promoting compassion, peace, and human rights for all people. Thank you and happy birthday.
Greetings, Your Holiness. This is Senator Pat Jalen. I'm a state senator from Somerville, Massachusetts. I once saw you from a distance when you came to visit the Medford Kurukula Center, which is also in my district. I'm calling to wish you a very happy birthday and many more, and with gratitude for your leadership and your courage and your guidance.
I want to wish a very happy 86th birthday to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Your commitment to freedom and human rights for all is an inspiration. I hope this next year brings you joy and peace. Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
I'm Mayor Joe Curtatone. On behalf of the City of Somerville, I would like to wish Your Holiness, the Dalai Lama, a happy 86th birthday. You have been a beacon of hope, not just for the Tibetan people, but for the global community. Your leadership and your spiritual guidance have inspired and brought comfort to many around the world. Once again, happy birthday.
With deep appreciation for his leadership, always based in unconditional kindness and compassion, I, Nicole LaChapelle, Mayor of the City of East Hampton, Massachusetts, sends love to His Holiness the Dalai Lama on his 86th birthday.
I'm Senator Ed Markey, chairman of the Senate East Asia Subcommittee, and I would like to wish a very happy 86th birthday to the Dalai Lama. As the 14th Dalai Lama and spiritual leader of Tibet, His Holiness has displayed the values of peace and compassion and empathy throughout his career. I thank His Holiness for promoting the values of freedom and human rights for the people of Tibet while serving as a beacon of hope for those around him. I had the honor of visiting him in Dar es Salaam, and it was just one of the great honors of my life to be able to meet with him and to talk with him. And all he does is emanate good karma for everyone and everything on this planet. So happy birthday.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jo Comerford, and I'm the state senator representing the Hampshire-Franklin-Worcester district in the Massachusetts legislature. And I'm sending a special message in celebration of His Holiness the Dalai Lama for the Dalai Lama's 86th birthday. I also want to thank the Regional Tibetan Association of Massachusetts for their organizing on behalf of all Tibetan people in the region and throughout the world. Wishing you all a year filled with happiness, health, and peace. Take good care.
하당 집에 로와용진 권집 담발라나 마치바 다큰 개체 도제 차천부 잠게 자외 온보 탐제지지 세바치부초 공로 자체 자주 페베 게임 통과라 섬주 자시들의 시기다 공부 강의 땜바던 리웨텐데 그새 가지 바데 땡지 퇴지 세대 타다 렌지들의 면도쇼 제와칸다 양다 라마단 라메 추지 발라 롱쇼지 사당 람비 윤대라도는 도제 최고 공방이었다고쇼.
Hello, this is Mayor Brianna Lungo-Kern from the city of Medford, Massachusetts, and I'm just wanted to say happy birthday to the 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin. Congratulations on 86 years old. That's amazing. I've heard you visited Medford in the past, and I hope someday I would get the honor to meet you. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful year.
Hi, this is Congressman Seth Moulton, and I want to join the world in wishing a happy birthday to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. One of his favorite quotes for me is, live a good and honorable life. And then when you get older and think back on it, you get to enjoy it a second time. Thank you for all the work you have done to promote peace in Tibet and around the world. You have some great friends here in Massachusetts with the Tibetan Association of Massachusetts, and even more on the North Shore. Thank you for all that you do.
Hi, I'm Gary Christensen, Mayor of the City of Malden, and it is an honor and pleasure to wish you a happy 86th birthday. I also want to use this opportunity to say thank you for being a global icon of peace and compassion. You truly are an inspiration to us all. Now, typically at this point, I would give you a proclamation or a key to the city, but we thought it only appropriate in the times we find ourselves living in to present you with your very own official City of Malden face mask. Again, happy birthday from all of us in the City of Malden.
多年以前，首根举办了7届3届国际电竞的上南边部电竞讲座了3万台上线的能准数。这个年纪容数，红山他们nam着香港这边我他们经济这块情况就更出干了。那个3年江边尼泊尔的全组织给老民去采取的参与希望的交集。咱们的学党、前把党让这平民用经给下的，或者改革把党、担把党，推进公把，他到很清楚的面对学长修。
Hi, I'm Cambridge, Massachusetts Mayor Sambal Siddiqui, and I want to wish Your Holiness Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso, a very happy birthday. I wish you continued health and joy on your 86th birthday and for the many years to come. Take care and happy birthday again.
Your Holiness, how are you? My name is John Vilas, and I'm a state senator for the great state of Massachusetts. I just wanted to take this time to say happy birthday. I'm a huge fan of yours. Thank you for all the work that you do. And I'm hoping that sometime in the very near future, we will be blessed with your presence in Western Massachusetts. Once again, Your Holiness, happy birthday.
Tashi Dele, Your Holiness. I'm so honored to be able to wish you a happy birthday. Next year, may you be able to celebrate in a free Tibet.
Hi, my name is Dan Carey. I'm the state representative for the 2nd Hampshire District in Massachusetts. I'd like to wish a very happy birthday to the Dalai Lama. May it be a year filled with health and happiness for you, and may you have many more.
harje sishi tsugin jinol konsa kyanggon gewe anggo tamje jinje siwa chenpo cho koyi kongda kyadruk le pebe chunga la tsamdi tashidele shubata chabji gobonyi ke tuki shendo hunji drujing kangjongso shabsuru kebe monomje kyawa gundu yanda lamadan jeme chugi bela longjuje sada lamdi yonde razot dorji change komba nyorto sho.
Your Holiness, my name is Erica Eiderhoven. I am a state representative from Somerville, proudly representing our vibrant Tibetan community here. I am so honored to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you have a joyous day, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your leadership and vision for peace and compassion for our world. Thank you, and happy birthday, Your Holiness.
On this very auspicious occasion of the celebration of His Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama's 86th birthday, with Tibetan Association of Boston, with my mental, verbal, and physical prostrations, I, Lama Mikma, on behalf of the Sakya Center and Harvard Buddhist Chaplaincy, Cambridge, Massachusetts, wanted to pray that may Your Holiness live a very long life for the sake of world peace, for the sake of interfaith and religious harmony, for the sake of promotion of Nalanda tradition, and for the sake of preservation and promotion of the rich Tibetan heritage for the benefit of the whole world.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Sabados, the State Representative for the 1st Hampshire District, and I'd like to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a very happy 86th birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
This is Mayor David Narkowitz from the city of Northampton, Massachusetts, sending best wishes and greetings to His Holiness the Dalai Lama on the occasion of your 86th birthday.
Hi, I'm State Senator Adam Gomez from Massachusetts, and I want to wish the Holiness the Dalai Lama a very happy birthday.
Tashidele Kumo Boston Peri Sane Chiti Topagi Tsokso Chiling Chiduin Terin Zamlin Shide Dembe Chino Honsa Yapin Yawe Wangpo Tamchi Kenjin Sikwa Chenpo Choki Hui Chungagi Gadela Boston Peri Niman Enge Yonta Yunlen Changme Chamchene Tashidele Changme Shuwa Tan Chapchi Gombo Kani Use Gaya Tenji Tuki Shegon Tada Rinki Dupa Rangyul Kangjejong, Podang Podala, Shapsu Kotube, Rewata Melam Shu.
Kangje Gendo Yongi Hage Gege Ningje Rangsu, Pajo Jere Siwang, Mi Namba Rewa, Jigden Shide Debe, Saden Gede Yongso Gingada, Junor Kongsa Kyamgun, Gewe Wangbo, Tamje Kenjing Sigo Chenbucho, Chiludar, Kongdang Geju Gerula, Hebe. Hui Chungal Tujengi, Kedo Pape Gadungi Nimoder, Massachusetts Purichidu Sobe Yuneda, Tommy Yongi Subshune, Gombochogi Gadin Jesu Tenshin, Kuicha Mundo Pune, Samdi Tangme Shuada, Gombocho, Kuzishabe Yundu Dembatan, Tugi Shedun Tada, Tungi Jube, Melam Tangme Shu.
So here, my friend, if you truly love me, then keep in your mind my 3 commitments. And whatever way, you see, wherever you live, try to create compassionate atmosphere, compassionate, atmosphere, compassionate society. then religious harmony. Then, you see, tell more people Tibetan knowledge which come from Nalanda is quite useful. So, whether believer or non-believer, it's worthwhile. This Tibetan knowledge is to keep as a part of academic subject. So, so if you practice, if you pay more attention, that's best gift for my birthday.